Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to remove a card from your PayPal account in 2025. Whether you're updating your payment methods, switching to a new card, or just cleaning up your account for security reasons, this quick tutorial will have you sorted in no time. PayPal is one of the most popular online payment platforms, and keeping your info up to date is crucial for safe transactions. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account on a web browser or the mobile app. If you're on the website, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile icon or the settings gear. It's usually easy to spot. Once you're in, look for the Wallet or Payment Methods section. This is where all your linked cards and bank accounts are stored. Now, in the Wallet section, you'll see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the card you want to remove and click on it. There should be an option that says something like Edit or Remove. Go ahead and select Remove. PayPal might ask you to confirm this action, so just follow the prompts to verify. It's a simple step to prevent any accidental deletions. After you've confirmed, your card will be removed from your account. That's it, you're all done. Remember, if you need to add a new card later, you can do that right in the same Wallet section. One quick tip. Always double-check your account settings for any auto payments that might be linked to the card you're removing, to avoid any disruptions. Why bother removing old cards? It helps protect your financial info and keeps your account clutter-free. If you have any questions or run into issues, PayPal's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.